Good morning, everyone. So, chapter number 4, and your math, your science teacher, Vindra Kumar. So, it's a chapter number 4. It's a acid, bases, and salts. Let's continue the chapter. It's a solution. First of all, these are the fill-ups. It's a number 1. The indicator shows different dash in an acidic and basic medium. It is colors. There is a change in the color that indicates that whether the solution is acidic or basic. Number 2, an indicator that turns red. If it gives red color, then it is a turmeric. If it gives pink color, if it will give pink color, then which one indicator we are using here? You have to write it in my comment section. Okay, number 3, 2 examples of the synthetic indicator are dash and dash. Synthetic means man-made, and it is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Number 4, basic turns the color of red litmus paper to red. And if you talk about the acids, it is blue litmus paper to I think here a mistake, it's a blue. This one is a blue. Basis turns the color of red litmus paper to blue. Here blue is here. Okay, it's a next. The most commonly used indicator is paper, litmus paper. It is extracted from lichens. Okay, let's continue the next one topic, neutralization and formation of salt. We have done so many times about the neutralization reaction. Whenever acid and base react together, they form salt and water. Here in the diagram you can see I take here acid as a HCl, base as a NaOH, acid plus base which gives H2O, and salt. And formation of salt, both the topics are covered now. And one important thing, during neutralization, acid and base, they cancel the effect each other. Now the solution will not show the acidic medium and the basic medium because it becomes a salt. Their effect is cancel out each other. Next one topic, we have a naming of salt. How can we name the salts? So in the first one, I will explain the first one. If we are using here sulfuric acid to make the salts, they are termed as sulfate. If we are using hydrochloric acid, they are called chlorides. If we are using nitric acid, they are called nitrates. If we are using sulfuric acid, then it is called sulfites. Carbonic acid, they are carbonate. Acetic acid, they are called acetates. These are the naming of the salt. How can we do? Not the difficult one. If you know the formula of the acids, then it becomes easy. Okay, next one, we have a properties of salt, like the properties of the acid, basic, and salt. So first of all, how salts are formed? Whenever there is a reaction between the acid and the bases, then there is a formation of salts. Most of the salts are readily soluble in water. We know that, just like a NaCl, which is a salt, it is easily soluble in water. And the salts do not conduct electricity in their solid state. When they are in a solid state, they do not conduct electricity. Just like, first of all, we have to make the solution. We have to dissolve NaCl in it. Then after it conduct electricity like this. Here we dip the graphite rod. Then after, the bulb will start glowing. And solution of the salts and water conduct electricity. About this one, 3 lines. You will study about this in our 8th class. How solutions conduct electricity? It is due to movement of ions. Movement of ions is responsible for the conductivity of the salts. We will study about this in our 8th class. Next one topic, it is the homework. And the homework, an antacid, it goes to which one? I read it. Antacid, an ant, China rose, an acid, base, and the column B, formic acid, milk of magnesium, ammonium hydroxide, and natural indicator turns blue litmus to red. You have to match the column. And the next one, it is the fill in the blanks. In distilled water, it means that pure ions free from ion. Litmus paper turns dash the fat in our body that contains dash aqueous solution. Aqueous, first of all I explain this. Aqueous means watery solution. Anything when we mix with the water, just like NaCl, which is a salt, when we dissolve this in water, then it is called aqueous solution of sodium chloride. It means that in which you are dissolving, this must be a water. Then aqueous word we use here. and this solution is called dash. Salts and the water are produced in the neutralization reaction. We know that salt and water whenever react together, they when not react, acid and base react together, they form salt and water. But there is a evaluation of which substance. Evaluation of what? Evaluation of what? You have to write here. The effect of acetylene can be neutralized by the rubbing moist baking soda or a calamine solution which contains, you have to write here the name of the base here, name of the base, which one base is present in the baking sodas. It's a SODA. Soda is SODA, spelling mistake is here. Soda is SODA, or calamine solution which it contains which one base, you have to write here. Okay, if you have any problem, any doubts in these all topics, I repeat again. First of all, it is the solution. Next one, neutralization and formation of salts, a reaction in which an acid base react together, they form salt and water. During neutralization they cancel the effect each other. You can see in the diagram. It's the next one, naming of the salt. Naming of the salt, how can we name the salt? If we are using a sulfuric acid, they are termed as sulfates. If we are using hydrochloric acid, they are termed as chloride. So other read it yourself. With the next one, properties of salt. Salts are formed through the reaction of acid and base. Most of the salts are readily soluble in water. They do not conduct electricity when they are in a solid form. And molten state, molten means here liquid state. When we melt anything with a high temperature, that is called molten state. It is called molten state. And in this state it converts into a ionic form and which helpful to conduct electricity. Next one topic, I think this one topic is left here. It's a classification of acid. How can we classify salts? How can we classify salt? They are classified in the three categories: neutral, acidic and basic salt. How can we neutral salt? Strong acid and basic base. Strong base. जब आपके पास strong एसिड होना चाहिए, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, यानी दोनों तरफ से अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइट करेंगे तो न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा. एसिडिक अगर आपके पास सॉल्ट बनाना है तो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड याद रख लो. बेसिक अगर सॉल्ट होगा तो स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस होना चाहिए. स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, बोथ स्ट्रॉन्ग. अगर ये न्यूट्रल है तो आपके पास एसिडिक बेसिक कोई भी सॉल्यूशन शो नहीं करेगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, इट चेंजेस द ब्लू लिटल पेपर टू रेड बिकॉज दीज आर एसिडिक. इन केस ऑफ बेसिक दे कन्वर्ट द रेड लिटल पेपर इनटू अ ब्लू वन. एंड द एग्जांपल, पोटेशियम क्लोराइड, सोडियम सल्फेट, potassium nitrate. In the acidic salt, examples of the acidic salt, zinc sulfate, ammonium nitrate, copper chloride. Examples of the basic salt, potassium acetate, sodium acetate and the sodium carbonate. These are the examples, and everything is covered now. And do these two in the fair notebook, and if you have any problem just write it in my comment section. Okay, thank you, God bless you all.